All right, this is group 3 of your easy 3-letter, 4-letter words, and you need to be saying these very quickly. If you're not, you need to go back and redo them again and again and again so you get lots of good practice in. Now, bear, well, where is bear? Bear, bear. Oh, bear. Well, I wasn't expecting you to come in sideways. What are you doing over there? Hello. Hello, bear. There is nothing scary. There is nothing beautiful. But there is something rather, well, sweet and silly back here. Okay, well, we'll wait for us to get to the sweet and silly part. Will you sit here while we do our wonderful little words? Yes, yes, yes. All right, you cheer us on, okay, Bear? Yay! He's cheering. All right, before we start, let's remember what this is. Exclamation point. It shows excitement. Like, ah! Oh my! Help! Hurry! I just won $1 million! Exclamation point. It all ends in an exclamation point. It's exciting things when you see this. Exclamation point. Can you say something exciting? Say woohoo! Oh yeah! Those all end with exclamation point. Shows excitement. Here's our first word. Bell. She rung the bell. This is a short part of somebody's name. Deb. Deb. Usually short for the name Deborah or Debbie. Deb. Hurry up. Fed. She fed the cat. This one's a little harder. Try real hard. Help. Now this is something you might use an exclamation point for. Help me! Exclamation point. Help! Exclamation point. Help the teacher! Exclamation point. Help the teacher! She's so tired! Exclamation point. Exclamation point. It means excitement. Wow! All right. Jet. The jet went fast. Are you looking? Look at this. Did. Did you ask me for that? There's your k and duck sound at the end. Sack. Sack. Yell. Oh, another thing you might need an exclamation point for if somebody yells something. Yell. Web. The fly was caught in the web. Oh no. Web. Please try to go fast. Tell. Set. She set the cat down on the couch. Set. Pen. The pen was very fancy. Pet. The pet was very naughty. Met. I have met your mother before. Met. One last one. Peck. The bird will peck at the fruit. And speaking of fruit, I have something sweet and silly behind this paper. And it happens to be a piece of fruit. Now, before I show you which one it is, would you please guess what kind of fruit is back there? You can name any kind of fruit. Now, fruits have seeds. So if you name something that does not have a seed, it's not a fruit. Did you guess? Are you ready to see? 1, 2, 3. There, push it over. Ooh, what is it? It is a silly, happy, orange